have a small but real risk for severe weather as we go into our evening. Anywhere west of a line from about Folsom down to Morris River Township on west is in this level 1 of 5 risk for severe weather. And I pretty much agree with this area here. It is a relatively low threat. I believe it is possible by the time we get through the overnight hours, we are talking with no severe weather. But if you do see something, it would be a damaging wind gust, though flooded roadways will be around as any thunderstorm or shower will have a lot of moisture with it as it comes through. You notice the timing during the overnight. Pretty much many of us sleeping is not always the best for severe weather, and it can help exaggerate problems as small as they will be for tonight. Let's take a look at our future radar. All of our showers and storms are to our west at 8 o'clock tonight. Pay attention to the time and date on the upper left as we take you through this radar here, and you see they fizzle out and then regenerate on Wednesday morning, but they're pretty much offshore by that point. So really what we're watching for is any of these showers making their way in, could be a thunderstorm too, and potentially bringing some kind of severe weather. But for the most part, I do believe we are fine here. Storms will be possible after 12 to 2 a.m. Then, after that passes, we are going to be going down the dew point chart. So we were sticky for today, dew points around 70, just a touch humid by the time we get towards our Wednesday afternoon, and we'll stay there for Thursday and Friday before it climbs back up and we start to get more of that sauna, hot steam room kind of feel as we go into our Saturday. Let's look at our tropics. And I use the word tropics loosely because this storm, Tropical Storm Dolly, is pretty much at the same latitude as us, just about 40 degrees north latitude, but it's still a tropical storm riding along the Gulf Stream where we do have the warmer waters. Maximum sustained winds are 45 miles an hour. It's a fish storm. It pretty much won't be impacting anybody along the shores. For this evening, we have temperatures that will slide through the 70s, a very comfortable evening with a partly cloudy sky. We have that south-southeasterly wind. It'll turn to the south overnight. Then we're again watching for those storms after 12 to 2 a.m. on an otherwise soupy and balmy night, but that'll be it for a while because Wednesday we do see showers through 8 a.m. for some of you, and then lower humidity and a good amount of sunshine. Temperatures still very warm in the upper 80s, but I'll tell you what, a fantastic afternoon to head to the beach or maybe take the boat out. And here's our on the water forecast. Winds are low, wave heights just about usual here, 3 to 4 feet in the ocean. It's pretty par for the course during the summer months, and here are your high and low tide times for the Atlantic Ocean waters. Our mainland 7-day forecast shows a couple more thunderstorms for Thursday. It's actually a more organized system that is just going to skirt by the area, mainly for places south of the White Horse Pike. And as we go into Friday and Saturday, a pair of dry days, but you see that 92 for Saturday. We will be sizzling, even on the sand. We'll be in the mid-80s there. And as we go into Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, we'll get into the cycle again of morning sunshine, maybe a little bit of fog, and then some afternoon thunderstorms. But as I wrote here, it is possible that the sea breeze keeps us stable and keeps the shore dry, as it did during the last 5-day stretch that just ended yesterday, where we saw these afternoon thunderstorms. Coming up at 6:30 tomorrow morning, we will talk more about the drop in the dew points. In the meanwhile, you can follow me on social media for the latest in South Jersey weather, or go to our website at thepressafac.com/weather.